Let's talk about the rise of cluster homes here in Zimbabwe. Welcome to the channel. This is Real Estate with Engineer Elaine. Today I'm in Helensville. We want to see how the rich are making money here in Zimbabwe and how you can be part of this community with cluster homes. So let's take a tour of this area and see what's in store for us. Zimbabwe is experiencing a property revolution. From Pomona to Greendale, from Borodale to Marlborough, cluster homes are rising fast. And here's the kicker. The rich are making millions of dollars from them. The question is how? That's what we are going to be breaking down today. Welcome to Zimbabwe's new property boom. This is ED Mnangagwa Road that I'll be using to get to my destination. Today's video is in Helensville in Borodale. We are going to see some clusters there. So a little definition here. Cluster homes are gated communities of modern houses built within one plot but sold or rented individually. Think of them as the middle ground between apartments and stand-alone homes. Secure, stylish, and affordable compared to traditional low-density housing. Each unit usually comes with its own title deed, while common areas like roads and securities are managed collectively. Cluster homes are here to stay. Smart designs, better planning, and sustainable infrastructure. They definitely define the future of urban housing in Zimbabwe. For investors, the opportunities are massive. For home buyers, the lifestyle is attractive. For cities, it's a challenge and an opportunity rolled into one. Are cluster homes the future of Zimbabwe? If you see something being on demand, then it means the supply and the market is big already. But why are people preferring cluster homes nowadays? We talk about the security itself. A lot of people are tired of thieves and burglaries. But here in these gated communities, the security is top-notch. You are guaranteed of safety. From the top-notch security, we have the shared amenities. We have roads. On top of these amenities, some they even go to as far as having their own off-grid system in the cluster homes. Massive construction, massive works being done here on this construction site. Already we are in September, but they are anticipating that by the end of December this year, all these cluster units would be finished to keep up with the supply of the demand, which is there for the cluster homes. Ah, my. All right, before we get inside one of the units, which I can't wait to show you, let's just have a quick tour of this area and see what's going on.
Why is it wealthy investors or even international developers are pouring money into cluster projects? Is it a high demand, high margin, and fast turnover business? Of course, cluster homes are the future. This is not only happening in Zimbabwe, even in Africa and the whole world, cluster homes are taking over.
Talking of the materials that are being used in this construction site, let's just have a look at the bricks that we are using here. These are common bricks, as you can see, but I wish you can be here on site with me. These are actually good bricks.
Let's look at the diaspora factor. A huge driver of this boom is the Zimbabwean diaspora. Many abroad want secure, modern homes for their families or rental units they can manage from afar. Cluster homes tick every box, ready to move, secure, rentable, and prestigious. Developers know this very well. Let's have a controversial look on these cluster homes. Critics are arguing that the uncontrollable cluster development is straining water, sewer, and road systems, especially in the low-density suburbs. Others say that it is eroding the Harare's north character.
Why is it people are now preferring cluster homes as compared to the stand-alone traditional houses? For instance, you can secure yourself a house in Halensville for just 170,000 US dollars as compared to buying a stand-alone house whereby you'd need something like 500,000 US dollars going up. Hello? Alright, let us have a tour inside one of these houses. Let us see what they look like inside. Here at the entrance, as you can see, there are two houses. They are sitting on 200 square meters. So let's get inside and see what it looks like. Here I am by the entrance, and I am already impressed by this thick door that they have put on their entrance. Come, let's keep going. Okay, so the units, they are sitting on 70 square meters, the floor area of each unit. So this is the entrance. Here on my left, there is this small common shared toilet, which is here on the ground floor. This is the ground floor. This is an open plan where we will have the kitchen and the sitting area here on the floor. So now we want to go up with the staircase and see what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is the first floor. It's sitting on 70 square meters, the floor area. So this is another bathroom. It's a shared bathroom. It will have a tub or a shower, depending with the preferences of the owner of this house, and there will be a toilet as well in this room. So let us go into the other room. All right. So this is this is one of the bedrooms. Okay, these are still under construction as you saw. So there's going to be strata here and there. Okay, this door is locked. I'm sure that's where there's one of the builders must be using this room. All right. And now to the master bedroom. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and here we will have an ensuite in here. Okay, it will have a tub and a toilet in here. All right, and that is the balcony of the master bedroom, where you can just slide open the door. For now, I can't open it, like I mentioned. This unit is still under construction. Right. All right, so this is our rail takers. Okay, for safety use. Okay.